It's about friendship and there's a lesson to it. So I hope na panoorin nyo kasi it's very maganda talaga siya. Maganda saka si Direk talaga matalas yung mata niya. He's very detailed with everything. So he's such a very good director.
The Gifted is a reunion of sorts for Anne and her co-stars in this movie. For one, this is Anne's second big screen project with Sam Milby after their first romantic film entitled Babe, I Love You back in 2010.
Enjoy yung mga ganong klaseng sagutan ni Anne tsaka ni Christine, ganon. Marami silang mga nakakatawa tsaka nakakainis na nakakatouch na kaabang-abang na tarayan, mga ganon. Pero lagi siyang nakaangkla sa totoong emotion, yung ganon, hindi lang siya basta patawa. Kasi alam mo kung saan nanggagaling yung mga characters, alam mo kung ano yung mga gusto nilang ma-achieve bilang mga characters sa pelikula. So parang may pinanggagalingang totoo, yun.
Secondly, Anne is also reunited with her fellow Viva artist Christine Reyes. They both top-billed the 2011 romantic drama movie No Other Woman, which turned out to be highly successful in breaking box office records. Having worked together in previous projects, Anne was comfortable on and off screen with Sam and Christine. It's definitely interesting to see what the three of them have to offer in this dark, sexy comedy as they did most of the film sequences together.
We were pleasantly surprised because we were a little bit intimidated when it comes to artistas. She allowed us to do our jobs without complaints or without no attitude at all. Naintindihan na namin ngayon kung bakit she endorses a lot of brands and a lot of products. It's because she is an ideal and role model.
I really admire her dedication and her professionalism. She comes to the set prepared, and not only that, but she also has a deep understanding of the character. She's a very good person, a very great collaborator also. So I hope this is not the last time. Of course, I really want to work with her again because nag-enjoy talaga ako nakatrabaho siya. I mean, honestly, sincerely, it's really fun working with her. You know, she's very hardworking, and when you watch her talaga on screen, makikita mo may magic Makikita mo talagang parang ang sarap-sarap niyang panoorin. Nakakatawa siya, maganda siya, sexy siya. She's just so fun to watch, you know, on screen. She has that great commanding presence on screen. Congratulations. Thank you for all your patience and your support. And good luck to us. And sana, di ba, maraming manood. Tulong-tulong tayo sa pag-promote nito. Maraming salamat. And congratulations.
Bye everyone! Thank you so much! Bye Direk! Bye po! Salamat!
First up, we followed Anne to Marikina Sports Center where she was filming several scenes for her movie offering this 2014, The Gifted.
We're here po sa Marikina Sports Complex para i-shoot po yung movie ng The Gifted na kung saan eksena po ngayon ni Anne Curtis bilang si Zoe na matabang babae.
After Anne's romantic drama movie entitled A Secret Affair, she's back on the big screen starring in a dark, sexy comedy this time. Something that's very different from her previous movies.
Gifted is the story of two friends who are geniuses, and they grow up to be friends but also rivals. So para silang number one sa klase nila at lagi silang nagpapang-abot kung sino ang top 1, top 2, ganon. So lumaki sila together sa isang eskwela na sila yung tinitingala na in terms of katalinuhan. So yun ang backstory nung The Gifted. Dahil nga sa rivalry, kasi isa lang ang pwedeng maging best, medyo nagkalabuan yung magkaibigan. So yun ang kwento ng Gifted. So yun ang front story, but beyond it, beyond the story, it's really all about fitting in, kasi para silang outcast. So parang pinagdadaanan naman lahat ng tao yun, yung parang paano ba magiging accepted ng kapwa-tao, kaklase, kaibigan, kasama, ganon. So yun ang struggle nung dalawang characters.
We had to make her look like she was over 200 pounds. Kailangan kunin mo na yung measurement niya, yung hulma ng face niya para yung gagawin naming prosthetics talagang saktong-sakto dun sa size and shape ng face niya. Tapos yung body, gumawa kami ng fat suit.
Hi, my name is Carissa Quintas, and I'm inviting all of you guys to watch The Gifted. And yung role ko po doon is I'm one of the bullies. So I hope you guys can watch it.
It was difficult. Medyo we had to do several tests. Kasi at isang beses she lost a lot of weight. So iba na yung measurement. So hindi na masyadong maganda yung pagka-fit ng prosthetics sa kanya. So we had to do another cast and then we had to do everything again. Pero it helps a lot that she's such an easy person to work with, as in she really allowed us to do our jobs, and she made it so easy for us.
Almost 2 years after her last motion picture, Anne couldn't wait to finish all the sequences for this new movie and share the full length with all her fans and supporters.
Flashback actually. Meron akong flashback sa dating movie ko, My Big Love. Yan, ganun din eh. Full face prosthetic. So, alam ko how hard it is na isuot yung fat suit na minsan napakainit din yung mga locations namin. Parang sauna. It's like you're wearing your own sauna. So, I understand. She's been so patient pagdating sa prosthetics din and waiting. So, but, parang, nakakatawa. Kahit mataba siya, maganda siya. Diba? She's still so beautiful kahit bigger siya. So, but, wala, parang cute. Nakakatawa ngayon yung itsura niya.
Well, maraming mga bago na pasabog na ginawa si Direk Chris Martinez. And I mean, he's a very brilliant director. Ang dami niyang mga bagong pakulo sa movie na to. So I'm sure yung mga fans ni Anne super matutuwa sa movie na to. It's very exciting.
Action!
Anne was very committed to giving justice to her character, and she overcame all the hardships that weighed down on her.
Oo, mahirap siya, mainit. Unang-una, syempre napakainit dito sa Pilipinas. So, mainit siya, mabigat. Tapos, yun, may adjustments kasi hindi ka makapagbihis mag-isa, hindi ka makaakyat sa sa hagdan, parang kailangan mo ng tulong. So you're really living the lifestyle, kumbaga. Ang hirap pala talaga.
As a result, Direk Chris Martinez and all of Anne's co-actors were amazed by her excellent acting and impeccable work ethics.
Kumukha ko. Sakto akong ina. Sakto kami ni Direk Ricky sa kanya. Di ba, Direk?
Talaga namang, pag naging mag-asawa kami, Ann Curtis lalabas eh.
Ann Curtis ang anak namin. No doubt about it.
This is something different na makikita sa big screen. So, nakakatuwa kasi that's why I accepted it, yung role na galing kay Direk Chris Martinez. Kasi hindi ko siya nagagawa. At saka gusto ko din malaman, ano kaya itsura ko pag bumaba ako? Or after how many kids? Siguro ganito yung magiging itsura ko. Bagay ba?
She has the face of an angel na parang pwedeng sundan talaga, and she knows her job. She can carry anything, whether she wears shorts, she wears slippers, she's out of tune or she's nasa tono, she's still beautiful. So may ganun eh. May iba hindi maganda ang boses, pangit ng itsura. Sa kanya, whether maganda or tama yung tono, maganda pa rin siya.
She's very, alam na natin yun, given na yun na she's beautiful, pero napaka-charming pa niya eh. She has that, yung thing na hindi ka mahihiya na nakangitian siya. Kasi ngingiti siya sa'yo. Tapos, maintindihan ka niya, kahit na anong level pa yan, kaya niya makipagbatuhan sa'yo ng whatever topic. So, yun yung dalawa na naiisip ko na very charismatic siya. Tapos, she knows a lot sa anumang aspect ng buhay. Kung ano man yan na ibato mo sa kanya, kaya niya yung sagutin.
5, 4, 3, 2, and action!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
We've worked together na rin before, and walang masasabi kay Anne. I mean, she's very professional. She arrives on time. And sometimes, kunwari during the time na ginagawa namin tong movie na to na The Gifted, she was also doing Jezebel. So minsan talaga, kunyari matatapos siya ng madaling araw sa Jezebel, mga 6 o'clock. Tapos makukall siya dito sa movie na The Gifted ng mga 8, 9. Pero pag bumaba siya ng van niya, nakasmile pa rin. Good morning, good morning. Hindi mo siya makikitaan ng pagkamasungit o pagod dahil syempre dahil halos araw-araw yung trabaho niya. She's very professional and she's very good actress.
This is my first. That's why nga I am so glad to have worked with you and Christine. They're both very nice people and I hope to work with them again. Thank you.
After working on the project in a span of 1 year, everyone was just so eager to complete the movie and they couldn't wait to finally see its final cut.
Well, may expect mo yung other side pa ni Anne na hindi masyado nape-play up, and that is she's very intelligent. You know, she's an intelligent actor at intelligent person siya. She's very witty din, no? Kayang-kaya din niyang lumaban ng comedy eh. May iba rin yung comedy niya dito eh. So, yun ma-expect mo doon, aside from the fact na grabe yung pag nagkaroon ng transformation, grabe yung mga damit na meron siya. Talaga namang, meron yung dun sa reunion na yun, merong, magkatabi lang kami, so kitang-kita ko talaga. Alam mo yun, in the flesh, kung ay, grabe. Lalo sa big screen, lalo yan. Talaga namang, babae na ako nito, ha?
Be sure to catch The Gifted at your favorite cinemas and get to know Zoe Tuazon.
Congratulations for finishing another wonderful movie, The Gifted. I'm sure all your fans and followers are excited to watch this beautiful movie by Direk Chris Martinez. And again, it was a real pleasure working with you at sana makatrabaho pa kita ng maraming beses. Congratulations, Anne.
5, 4, 3, 2, and action. Go, Professor. So it was done. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations. Go to your place, Professor. Face the camera, please. And picture.
And it's been such a pleasure working with you. I have envisioned that you'd be fun to work with. Talaga namang you have even not only hindi lang sa napantayan mo, kung hindi para pang nalampasan mo pa yung yung expectation na yon. So more power to you. You deserve where you are right now because you are really dedicated, you are very talented, and you're very level-headed. Congratulations and God bless you.
Okay.
Graduate na si Amber. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's finally our last shooting day, and we're all very excited to see kung paano mapipiece together kasi yung last interview mo nga sa akin, sobrang payat na namin, diba? Iba na yung itsura namin. So paano, ano kaya itsura niya pag buo na yung kwento?